Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI OnlyFans creator. So, let's get started. First of all, you'll need to choose a platform for generating AI content. You'll need an AI model generator like ChatGPT, Replika, DID, and more. You'll also need deep learning tool like TensorFlow, MXNet, and more. Once you have the tool, you can start designing and customizing your AI model based on the niche or personality you want your OnlyFans creator to have. This is where the fun begins, as you can really personalize it to fit your vision. Next, you'll have to integrate your AI creator with a platform that supports digital creators like OnlyFans. Uploading content and setting up subscription plans is a breeze once your AI creator is ready. Make sure to create a schedule for content uploads so your fans stay engaged with new exciting material. And that's it. Now you know how to create an AI OnlyFans creator. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.